All right, so here we are. So you have a 2-car garage. I'm going to pause this until I get to the front door. Okay, so this is the front door. You have a split foyer, so there's rooms down here, rooms up here. You have a great room. Kitchen. And then over here you have a formal dining room. Refrigerator. Lots of cabinet space. Double sinks. Okay, there's a full bath here. And then a bedroom here, which is the primary bedroom. Double sinks. The tub. Separate shower. Walk-in closet. And then this is where the toilet is. Alright. So this is bedroom number 2. Good lighting, ceiling fan, closet. Bedroom number 3. Ceiling fan. There's the closet with shelving. This is a little linen closet. Now we're going to head downstairs. Okay, so there's the bedroom down here, and these are drop ceilings. And this is the laundry room here. The washer and dryer doesn't come with a washer and dryer. And then over here, there's a bonus room. A place for storage. You could make it into a bedroom if you wanted to. There is another full bath here. And then you have another bonus room here. Okay, so let's check out the garage. So 2-car garage, it's automatic. You will get 2 garage door openers when you rent it. And then over here is storage for your lawnmowers. And I'm going to go back upstairs so you can see the backyard. The backyard is fenced in. Okay. Alright, so this is the backyard. There's a deck here off the kitchen. And as you can see, it's fenced in.